Welcome. This video I'll show you how to view organization tree here in Zoho People. Right, so first up, if you are an employee, you can go ahead and go to home right here. Now go to the top tab. Okay, now go ahead and click on organization. Now once you're in here, as you can see, you have the employee tree. Okay, if you want to view department tree as well, you can go ahead and click on this tab. If not, just click on employee tree. Okay, so basically the one at the top is the owner or the CEO, and the rest right here, depending on how the admin set up his or her organization or hierarchy. All right. So when you go ahead over to a department tree right here, as you can see, I only have one department. So basically for HR, I have this person. Now yours might be different. You may have a ton of departments right here. For example, IT department, inventory, legal, administrator, administration, creative, operations, marketing, sales, so on and so forth. Okay. For each department, when you go ahead and click on one, okay, the list of people will just pop up, okay, depending on which department they belong. All right. Now, if you are an admin, go to home right here. The same goes to admin. Go to organization, employee tree, right here. Okay. That's basically it. That is how you view the organization tree here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.